बच्चों आज हम आपकी बुक से लिए गए चैप्टर एक्सपोनेंट्स एंड पावर्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। इंट्रोडक्शन टू एक्सपोनेंट्स एंड पावर्स, यानी कि व्हाट इज एक्सपोनेंट एंड व्हाट इज पावर। सो एक्सपोनेंट an exponent refers to the number of times a number is multiplied by itself. A number is multiplied by itself. यानी कि एक्सपोनेंट का मतलब है कि हम कितनी बार किसी नंबर को खुद से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। एन एक्सपोनेंट रेफर्स टू द नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स एन नंबर इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय itself. For example, 2 raised power 3. That means this 2, we have to multiply this 2 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. So this is called the exponent. This is called the exponent. 3 is here the exponent. 3 is here the exponent. And this 2 is called the base. 2 is called the base. And this 3 is called the exponent. Exponent और पावर सो जो ऊपर होगा, ऊपर जो नंबर टगा हुआ होगा दैट इज कॉल्ड द एक्सपोनेंट और पावर, और जो ये नीचे जो नंबर है दैट इज कॉल्ड द बेस हम लोअर पार्ट को कहते हैं, हमेशा बेस लेते हैं हम लोअर पार्ट को। सो दिस 2 इज कॉल्ड द बेस एंड दिस 3 इज कॉल्ड द एक्सपोनेंट एंड पावर। समझ आया बेटा? गुड। So in general, if x raised power b, so here x is base, and b is exponent, or power, So using these two concepts, we have many properties which we call law of indices or law of एक्सपोनेंट्स। जब हम यही कंसेप्ट इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो हमारे पास बहुत सारी प्रॉपर्टीज पड़े हैं, तो उनको हम बोलते हैं लॉ ऑफ इंडिसेस और लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट्स। उससे पहले हम ये जानेंगे कि अगर हमें 10 रेज्ड पावर 1 दिया गया होगा दैट इज इक्वल टू 10, और 10 रेज्ड पावर 2 होगा दैट इज 10 स्क्वायर, दैट इज 10 into 10, दैट इज वी मल्टीप्लाई हियर 10 2 times। 10 raised power 3 that is equal to 10 into 10 into 10, so on and so forth. Then in general 10 raised power m that is equal to 10 into 10 into 10, so on m times. That means we here multiply 10 m times. So this was all about when the power was positive, when this power was a positive integer. If this power will be negative, तो क्या करना है, उसके बाद क्या करना है जब हमारे पास पावर नेगेटिव होगा, दैट इज इफ वी टेक एन एग्जांपल a raised power minus 7, so that is equal to, we can write a raised power minus 7 as 1 upon a raised power 7. That means here instead of multiplying here we divide here, so a raised power minus 7 is equal to 1 upon a raised power 7. That is, let us take an example. 2 raised power minus 3 into 1 upon 2 raised power 2. So that is equal to 2 raised power minus 3 into, इसको भी हम नेगेटिव में लाएंगे, that is 2 raised power minus 2. हमारे पास एक लॉ है, when bases are same in multiplication powers are added, that is 2 raised power minus 3 plus minus 2. So that is equal to 2 raised power minus 3 plus minus 2. So that is equal to 2 raised power 3 और 2 हो गए 5, but sign is negative, minus 5. So this can be written as 1 upon 2 raised power 5. 1 upon 2 raised power 5. समझ आया? Now here are certain laws for this. Those are called the laws of exponents. Laws of exponents or laws of indices. So first law is a raised power m into a raised power n. that is equal to a raised power m plus n. यानी कि when bases are same in multiplication, when bases are same in multiplication, powers are added. Powers are added. So let us take an example in this law. For example, 2 raised power minus 3 into 2 raised power 4, that is equal to 2 raised power minus 3 plus 4, that is equal to 2 raised power 1. So which is equal to 2. Second law, a raised power m divided by a raised power n. When bases are same in division, powers are subtracted. That is a raised power m minus n. When bases are same in division, powers are subtracted. So we take an example here, that is 2 raised power minus 5 divided by 2 raised power 3. So this is equal to 2 raised power minus 5 minus 3, because bases are same in division, powers are subtracted. That is equal to 2 raised power minus 5 or minus 2, that is equal to 7. लेकिन sign आएगी negative, minus 7. So which can be written as 1 upon 2 raised power 7. 1 upon 2 raised power 7. Now the third law, that is a raised power m whole raised power n is equal to a raised power m n. यानी कि इन पावर्स को हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया है. For example, 2 raised power minus 4 whole raised power 2, that is equal to 2 raised power minus 4 into 2, that is equal to 2 raised power minus 4 to our 8. So this can be written as 1 upon 2 raised power 8. Similarly, the fourth law is a raised power m into b raised power m. यानी कि when bases are different and powers are same, this is equal to a into b raised power m. A into b raised power m. For example, we take an example, minus 4 raised power minus 3 into minus 5 raised power minus 3. So this can be written as minus 4 into minus 5 raised power minus 3. That is equal to minus हो गया plus 5 4 are 20 raised power minus 3. So this can be written as 1 upon 20 raised power 3. So now fifth law is a raised power m divided by b raised power m. यानी कि when bases are different in division, powers are same. So this is equal to a divided by b raised power m. A divided by b raised power m, or we can write it as a upon b raised power m. A upon b raised power m. For example, 2 by 3 raised power minus 2. So this is equal to 2 raised power minus 2 whole divided by 3 raised power minus 2. So this is equal to 2 raised power minus 2 can be written as 1 upon 2 raised power 2 whole divided by 3 raised power minus 3 can be written as 1 upon 3 raised power 2. 3 raised power 2. So we can take the reciprocal of this, that is equal to 1 upon 2 raised power 2 into 3 raised power 2 divided by 1. That is equal to 3 square raised power 2 square. So which is equal 3 square means 9 divided by 2 square means 4. That means 2 by 3 raised power minus 2 is equal to 9 upon 4. So this was the fifth law of exponents and powers. तो जब हम इन बेसिक लॉज को अच्छे से समझेंगे, अच्छे से करेंगे, ये एक्सपोनेंट क्या है, पावर क्या है, दिस लॉ, ये लॉज जो दिए गए हैं ये क्या है, इनको हम अच्छे से समझेंगे तो वी कैन गो थ्रू द एक्सरसाइज इजली. वी कैन डू ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन ऑफ द चैप्टर इजली.